promise untold. Futures bright like stories of old. We rise together, dreams in our eyes, planting the seeds, reaching for the skies. Oh, I believe, yes, I believe in you, America the bold, strong and true. From echoes of freedom's first call, a nation united, standing tall. We carry the torch, liberty's light, shining ever brighter, day and night. Oh, I believe, yes, I believe in you, America the bold, strong and true. From echoes of freedom's first call, a nation united, standing tall. We carry the torch, liberty's light, shining ever brighter, day and night. Oh, I believe, yes, I believe in you, America the bold, strong and true. With open arms and hearts so bold, building a future, stories yet untold. United we stand for liberty's light, this land of opportunity, whispering our name, the spirit of freedom in every heartbeat, woven together, our lives interweave. From it we stand, we answer the call, standing